Good morning, student. This is Shyam Sundar Sharma. Today I am going to explain a very important topic on English grammar. The topic name is modal. It is related to class 7th and 8th. Use of can. As you know very well that can means sakna. It is used to show ability to do something in the present. Substitute form to be able to. Examples: I can speak English. Permission to do something in the present. Substitute form to be allowed to. Can I go to the cinema? Request: can you wait a moment, please? Offer: I can lend you my car till tomorrow. Suggestion: can we visit grandma at the weekend? Possibility: I can get very hot in Arizona. Now second part of can. I mean to say that could is the past tense or second form of can. Use an example. It is used to show ability to do something in the past. Substitute form to be able to. I could speak English. Permission to do something in the past. Substitute form to be allowed to. I could go to the cinema. Polite question: could I go to the cinema, please? Polite request: could you wait a moment? Polite request. Polite offer. As you know that these are the things which I have already explained. Now come to the may. The third number modal is may. It is used to show possibility, just like it may rain today. Permission to do something in the present. Substitute form to be allowed to. May I go to the cinema? Polite suggestion: may I help you? May's second form or past tense is might. It is used to show a possibility less possible than may. It might rain today. Hesitant offer: might I help you? Fifth number modal, must, which means chahiye. Use an example. Must is used to show force, necessity. I must go to the supermarket today. Possibility: you must be tired. Advice: recommendation: you must see the new film with Brad Pitt. Must not, may not. Prohibition: must is a little stronger. You must not work on that computer. You may not work on that computer. Need not means जरूरत नहीं है. Use examples. Need not model is used to show something is not necessary. I need not go to supermarket. We are going to the restaurant tonight. Ought to. Ought to, should is just like similar models. Similar to should, ought to sound a little less subjective. Use. It is used to show advice. You ought to drink carefully in bad weather. Obligation. You ought to switch off the light when you leave the room. Shall. Shall is used to show suggestion. Shall I carry your bag? It is used instead of will in the first person. Advice. You should drink carefully in bad weather. Obligation. You should switch off the light when you leave the room. Will. Now model 11. Will. Will is used to show wish, request, demand, order, less polite than would. Will you please shut the door? Prediction, assumption. I think it will rain on Friday. Promise. I will stop smoking. Spontaneous decision. Can somebody drive me to the station? Would. Would is used to show wish, request, more polite than will. Would you shut the door, please? Habits in the past. Sometimes he would bring me some flowers. Thank you very much.